I'm Andy Gale from Blenheim. We've got a logging contracting business up here in Marlborough, and we run 4 logging gangs. So we've obviously built this workshop behind us and gone with the Alpine one simply because the size of it and what they could offer, and it fits well for our business with the height and height, width and versatility that Alpine could offer. With that 15 metres and 2 bays at 20 metres, being able to get that open span, it's bloody, yeah, really good. And also being able to, like I say, being able to go high so we can get our machines in without having to sort of fold them right up. Bird proof, yeah, there's no issues. You're not sort of having to scare birds off. There's bird shit everywhere, you know. It's actually, yeah, in that respect is really good, you know. And they're a nice quiet building. Like being big, you'd think, oh, when it's raining or windy that'd be sort of clattery, but no, it's not at all. Like, it's really quiet. We'd had dealings with the Richardson brothers before, and they've done sort of the odd few little jobs for us, but it was pretty seamless really, like right down to when you guys obviously said you're going to send the stuff, it showed up on time. Richardson's showed up on time, they done their thing, and the whole process was really smooth, you know. There was no dramas throughout, there were no delays with getting the material and with getting them on site. So yeah, the installation was brilliant. With us having going through other consents, doing other stuff in our business, it can be a bit of a drama, so having you guys deal with it, that was really good, because I mean it saved us a hell of a lot of time and man hours. So just leaving you guys to deal with the project, that was brilliant, and the whole payment thing and consent and blah blah blah, the whole thing went well. Yeah. Obviously for our business we get 3 prices with anything we do. We got 3 prices for this type building, and we found that Alpine not only would cheap, well, price didn't really, I mean it come into it, but it's also the service, the backup service and all that sort of stuff that we got. So in terms of recommendations, I'd be pushing other customers to go with Alpines simply because of that, you know. Especially definitely competitive on price, but backup service or just the service, you know, it's really good. I just recommend that Alpine product's good, and I think it's where we're at with what we're going to do if we do anything going forward. Yeah.